Welcome friends. In this tutorial of HTML5 and CSS series, we will learn an important topic, list. In every website, in every web application, you will see and you will use list to make navigation menu, to describe any topic you may require to write the code of list. So it is a very important topic. Lists can be ordered list, unordered list. Let us start with unordered list. UL means unordered list. LI is the list item. First, so let's make it 3. Water. Let's go to live server. See, this is list item. Let's say unordered list. It starts with number, but we can change using CSS also. CSS. Let's see. UL list style type square. See, it becomes a square. Well, list style type disk. So we can change the ordered list also. The number to bullets or circle. So in this way we can change the style. Now if we want to remove the list, li text decoration none. See, sorry, UL text decoration. So we have seen how to create list and change the style. We can change it to disk, we can change it to circle or a square, or we can remove the bullets or numbers. Just list style type none. See, the style is removed. It's none. The bullets are removed. So this way you can write list and style it. Now we can also use nested list. How inside list we can again use ordered list or unordered list. See, see inside the list, for example, T this three people wants tea and remaining people want to drink coffee. So this is nested list. Now the important application of list is creating navigation menu. Let me show you how to create navigation menu and style it. Navigation menu usually requires anchor link. So start with anchor link hash home. Second menu about, third menu services, portfolio, contact. Let's see how it looks. This is the navigation menu, but it's very unusual. You will never see navigation list like this in any website. So we have to design it, style it. Now you will list style type now that we know. Say for example, margin left 20 pixel, BZC background color 1111, background color black. How it looks like this. Then come to list item, float left. This is the very common. Now see, it becomes horizontal, but the background color is gone. Overflow, we have to use overflow hidden. See the background color So between the list item, let's give some padding 5 pixel, padding 5 pixel. Now li a means every anchor item. Lia border 1 pixel solid uh, blue color white. Let's say color white. Border radius. Let us use border radius 10 pixel. See, now we can use hover. A hover. These are the things you have to memorize. Otherwise, you have to search and work always. That will kill your time. A hover, color, olive. Let's say color changed. Hover. So this is a very important topic we have learned. List and how to make navigation menu using list and style it. Navigation menu styling is very important. You have to remember and memorize some CSS. Thank you very much for watching this video.